Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. Okay, so straight up, let me tell you now, this is an Igbo language video. Forgive me. Sometimes I say this and then, of course, I still get to ad-lib in English. Okay, so bear with me that this is an Igbo language video. The stuff I want to share with us today is so sensitive and it's so centered around my people and what is to come that I cannot afford to speak in English all the way. So gee m ntị now ndị Igbo, gee m ntị ebe ọ bụ na ị nọ ọbụla onye Igbo gee m ntị. Ana m anya moto about a few days ago. Bịa nwee this incredible experience, and I would say ana m enwebe vision from time to time. Weird vision. And I don't know pastor or prophet or anything, but it happens to me. And 99.9% of the time, they are accurate. N'anya moto wee bịa ofufe nwa ngwa ebe mee m na-arụ just cool like that. I almost wanted to pull over and park the car. And I saw a very clear vision of Abia State. First time in my life seeing anything about Abia State. I am mad that na Chineke enyego anyị Alex Oti who is doing a great job n'Abia. Onye ọbụla ma maka ya, anyị na-ekpele ya ekpele oge ọbụla na-ekene Chukwu maka ndụ ya na ihe ọ na-eme n'Abia. Mana nke ịbịa fụ Abia steeti in a vision o metụbara m before. Ozugbo ife a mee m, nsị ka m paaki ya moto ka ọ gịnị slozie down. Vision a na-agwa gị last just about 50, 80, 60 seconds. It wasn't more than a minute and it was over. Ka m gwazi unu ihe mfụ. Abia mbịa fụ a very big airport in Abia State. You know the type of airport I have from places like maybe China, Singapore, massive. Nigeria has never dreamed of anything like it. I don't even know what African country has that kind of airport. This was so confusing to me. Now I see Abiawa airport, this massive. It was so big. Then I just after the airport, Nekwanye again, as if I was lifted up. Then for a whole new area. This so developed that I don't want to make any mistake. Can't call on the council where it was almost as if to say, I think China has that where you call industrial village, a village that is filled up with all manner of industries. I'm talking about manufacturing hub. It was so massive, I couldn't see the end of it. It's almost like when you are looking at an ocean and it just keeps going and going and you can't see the end of it. It too, I can't see where fear. Industries, Okunewu everywhere. Massive. People pouring in. Flights. Boom. Going, coming, going, coming. Abia State. Ikegwum. I wanted to make a video. Simple. Can check good money and more. Is your one I want call fever. I was not sick. What is this? I sat down. Usually on a boom vision like this. And I'm like in here myself, some time. I'm the sure enough, not with you. Since see this vision, it has repeated almost every single day till today. And this was about 67 days ago. Can we this vision? Because of this in Western media, now so Sunday by we go Alex Oti. Biko kpọkọndị gị na fa na-eme ife ndị niile Chineke na-enyeghị ka gị na ha na-alụ ọrụ ọfa na chain back to your drawing board. Every vision you want for infrastructural development in Abia, you have to revisit it again. You need to now expand the scope of ihe niile ị chọrọ ime. Chineke na-asị ka anyị gwa ndị Igbo na Abia ga-abụ the commercial hub of North Nigeria, not even West Africa, of the entirety of Africa. That people got there from every part of Africa and beyond to come and do business in Abia State. The same thing you see happening to China, where people are running to China. Chineke si m gwa unu, I'm a pastor, I'm a prophet, but I've never seen a vision like this that didn't happen. Ngwa ndị Abia, ndị Igbo, that na anyị enwego our own China na ala Igbo. If you doubt me, save this video. Save this post. It might be a save it is important to you. Go and save this post and make sure nothing happens to it. You will remember that now we're on this thing today. Something strange is happening. The second thing in the video, the very important over that now. 2024. Anọkata na anọ m n'Egypt na Cairo na one hotel room. All of a sudden, this same type of vision, there were again. I was supposed to go for a meeting. Immediately, I postponed that meeting. See if I could let them postpone it by 1 hour or 2 hours. We're buying at my hotel room 2 to 4 2 hours. We made a video. Gwandibo, the burden I had then was so intense I couldn't resist it. Chineke Singa Gwandibo na our day has broken. Na Chindibo Fogo. Most of you must have seen that video on TikTok before I lost my former TikTok account. They named the video. Whenever I get the urge, I don't waste time. Our renaissance has begun, and that you will see clear evidence of it in 2025. When he noticed about Igbo land between January of 2025 to December of 2025, if Unani Bada go through a little bit of Wifo, not even a little bit, a lot. When they say I can't go in 2026. 2026, there will be a mass exodus of Igbo people from different parts of the world into Igbo land. Igbo Ganata in droves. Oburo, a political thing. It is something that is divine. Because many of you now go Bible, I'm don't know that Bible because nepos in the somehow I good known there that great return Bible it no mirror man from my brother Joseph okay watch out for 2026. An Igbo will break into serious massive explosion, infrastructure development, economic development everywhere. If I can name an Igbo all over the place. Igbo, if you don't know. Obro because now Obro because anybody say it is because there is a stirring in the spirit. Then with something somewhere, see time has come. The moment they shifted it, the timing is pushing everyone to go home. People will get up and go, they won't even know why they're going home. They won't even know what is pushing them. Industries gonna break out all over Igbo nation. Anambra State, the manufacturing you will not, in terms of technical manufacturing, that you will not see in Anambra State. Enugu, I am seeing administrative headquarters sited in Enugu. Coordination taking place in Enugu. Commercial hub in Abia. Technical inventions in Anambra. Too many things happening in Igbo because these same people called Igbos. It is not because I am an Igbo man. Chineke naturally used to call the whole world who Igbos are. 2026 is the beginning. We are commencing our descent into that dream that we've all carried in our hearts for a very long time. What do you phenomenon in Nigeria right now? Information to so many things, but I don't like it too much because a lot of information, you won't be talking anyhow. Only see obodo my na-achị ime. Mana ndị Igbo bụ ndị bụ the biggest beneficiaries of ihe na-achị ime enwere the idea. And then ma kọwata ya in my little way in a code so that you don't miss it.